Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to make a drink called a Bird of Paradise. This consists of a white tequila, creme de coco. I'm supposed to use the white creme de coco, but I'm going to use the dark because I have that. Amaretto and some heavy cream. So to start, we'll put ice in the shaker glass. We're going to add 3/4 ounces of the tequila. We're going to use 3/4 ounces of the creme de coco. And again, the recipe calls for the white. Shouldn't change the flavor though, it should just change the look of the drink. It's going to make it dark instead of white. We're going to use 1/4 ounce of amaretto. And then we're going to use 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. And I've already shaken this up a little bit. Again, it's 1.5 ounces. We're going to shake all this together. And we'll pour it all into our chilled cocktail glass. And there we have a Bird of Paradise. That's real good, real creamy. Has a little bit of cocoa flavor. I really like that. Again, it's a Bird of Paradise. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everybody have a good night, and thanks again.